Hi, welcome to Jack Henry. You might be able to hear in the background, but yeah. Ooh. Need to get a look up properly. Could catch something, but yeah. I got a Budgie! He's a male lutino Budgie. Only about a month old. Yeah. Very loud. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah. Before in the other recording, before my sister ruined it, he jumped onto the floor and started running around. But yeah. That's about all, and thank you for watching.